y'all, it's Danny and welcome back to my channel. I know, hold your tomatoes, don't throw the rocks. I know it's been a minute since I have been last on here. Your girl has been absolutely so busy. If you follow me on other platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and the like, you know that I have been active on there. I have just not been active in filming content specifically for YouTube. Just a few little updates on the Art of Danny. I have started rhinestoning, so be prepared to be sick of me because I'm absolutely obsessed with rhinestones. I have started doing virtual sessions, so I am now teaching others how to do embroidery. I have had a bunch of sessions so far, so my students are amazing, and if you are interested in that, then you will definitely be interested in my embroidery membership that is launching soon. Okay, I know I have also talked about that and teased that a bit. It is coming. I have been releasing a lot of digital files. That has been really cool. Head on over to theartsofdanny.com because the files are currently on sale for $2. I know that was number 4, but they are on sale for $2 and I have a pretty good selection. So the whole point of my back to YouTube video is I have a lot of things to unbox. Yes, I have quite a bit to unbox, so we're gonna unbox it. 3 packages from Shannon Fabrics. If you do not know, Shannon Fabrics is a fabric company, of course, and they have perfect, soft, just amazing fabric, specifically minky fabric. Okay y'all, here is box number 1. It doesn't even fit fully into frame, but I am going to cut it open and we are going to dive into the world of Shannon Fabrics. If you don't know, my favorite color is pink. Of all time, pink. And specifically this like really pretty baby light pink. I plan on making tutorials using all of this fabric. The first tutorial is going to be a blanket tutorial because I currently have a 34-piece blanket order, and I think I'm, you know, really dialed in on blankets now. Oh my gosh, y'all, this fabric is gorgeous. I wish the pink showed up a bit better on camera, but it's, my lighting is bright. Oh my gosh, can you guys see? There are hearts. There are hearts embossed. It is so soft, it's beautiful. There's so many things that you can do with this fabric applique. You know, you can put it on a sweatshirt. I can't wait. So this is called Embossed Heart Cuddle in Blush. Ooh, okay. And if you know me, you know I do love bows and we love the pink. They sent me this beautiful print and it has a bunch of different bows, super cottagecore, super pink and preppy. And there's 2 in here. So the other side is this minky pink. So I have used a lot of Shannon Fabrics before. I wish you could feel things through a screen because it is so soft, and look at those bows. That is so cute. And then we have the Luxe Cuddle Hide, and this is in blush as well. Yeah, more pink. Are we surprised? Cow print. Look at this, because I love cow print and I love pink. More Luxe Cuddle Hide in like a darker pink than that other pink that we just saw. Tell me that's just not the cutest thing ever. And then I got some more Cuddle Hide in Thyme and black. Yeah, the black, I've had this before. This is just a solid black minky fabric. I really like to use this. At a time, I was obsessed with plushies and making them. So these are really nice if anyone does in the hoop projects, stuffed animals, in the hoop bags, in the hoop crossbodies. Their solid cuddle is like flat. I would still use a water soluble topper with this, but it doesn't have a high pile or a nab. So it's like a paler green, pale sagey green. So I think that'll be really pretty paired with a cuddle, a solid cuddle, but a different color. Oh my gosh, I love pink and I love a sage green. It has roses and petals and flowers on it. So now I'm wondering, should I do my logo blanket? Like, okay, the blanket I'm gonna make is gonna have my logo on it, of course, because it's gonna be in my studio. But I don't know if I should do it with this or I should do it with the boutique. I don't know, I'm conflicted. Drop in the comments what you think I should make my blanket prints out of first. Okay, and then this also has the white cuddle. So this is just solid white cuddle. Perfect for, like I said, the other side of a blanket. So I don't know. So this would look really pretty together. I love their fabrics because they're also versatile. So if I want to use one color or one print with another type of print or another type of texture, everything just goes together beautifully. Like you don't have to worry about, oh, if I get this one, then I'm not going to be able to find something else that looks the same or looks similar that goes with it. We are done with box 1. Now on to box 2. Like I said, y'all, they sent me a lot of fabric, so let's get into box number 2. Hi, box number 2. Okay, let's open this and I will be back with the first fabric that I pull out. Wow. Okay, where are my animal print girls at? I can have another blanket for my bedroom, and then I will have to do multiple pillows. How do you guys store your fabric? Please help me out, because right now I'm binning it and I just have them in bins, but that's really not productive. Let me know what your storage organization looks like. If you have any, I would love some tips. If you are watching as an embroidery business owner, you will be able to sell anything you make with these fabrics at a decent price point. Oh, Shannon Fabrics, I love you. Black bows, which is your favorite? I honestly can't decide because I do love a good black and white moment. One more time for the leopard, for the cheetah. I think it's leopard, but just one more time for this. I mean, can we just, I like to say the mad scientist in me, it's brewing. Animal print, leopard, beautiful. Not me wearing it. Yeah, like what are we feeling it? Or like, what do they call them when you put them like a hood and then you wrap it around? I could make one of those. I have to get more acquainted with my big cat family. Love it. Again, y'all, let me know what y'all want me to make with this stuff. I mean, the possibilities are endless. But a lot of my clients have the same taste as me. A lot of my clients are pink girlies. A lot of my clients, they love the animal print. They love the cow print. They love cheetah print. I mean, I love it. Absolutely. Even like a bucket hat. I don't know how to sew a bucket hat, but I could try. And I will have a lot of tutorials and different kind of projects coming up. I want to also maybe do some summer themed projects. So stick around at The Arts of Danny. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss a video, definitely hit that subscribe button and go on ahead and give me a like. I know you want to. Okay guys, so that was all for our Shannon Fabrics unboxing. And now I have 2 packages from Lane 7. So if you've not heard of Lane 7, they are a garment blank manufacturer, supplier. I first got hip to them when I went to the Atlantic City Impressions Expo, and I was there with Melco, of course. If you don't know, I am an affiliate with Melco USA, and that is who I have one of my embroidery machines by, my Melco Summit, my tried and true. Oh, this is so cute. This is adorable. A little Lane 7 keychain, and it has the L7 logo, and it's a hoodie. That's adorable. I love that. So this is Lane 7's women's collection, and I have a little card here. And this says, "We are so excited to share an early piece of our women's collection with you. We worked carefully and thoughtfully to bring 8 new styles to life, and we can't wait for what's ahead. If you love it, please share on Wednesday, May 13th, when the women's collection officially launches. Tag Lane 7 Apparel and L7 Women. Thank you for being one of the first to wear it. We hope you love this collection as much as we do. With love, your friends at Lane 7. I love this blue. I'm probably gonna use all of these garments and put my logo on them because I'm gonna wear them in my videos and things. This is gorge, and I asked for a large. This is their women's large. I like really all of my tops to be a bit bigger, especially when I'm working. And these are gonna be mainly, you know, used for my videos when I'm making content. Okay, cute. I did not know this was a crop. This is adorable. And it, like I said, it's a bit oversized, which is super my jam. I love, like with some jean shorts with my logo. Should I put rhinestones on this? Me resisting the urge to literally put rhinestones on all of this stuff. This is so cute. Like I said, this is the women's collection and this is screams me. This is cute. This chocolate brown color. We know, I love chocolate brown. Those are me. Perfect. Okay, so I do have another box and let's open that one. These are so cute. I could put this on with this top right now. And again, the quality of this stuff is unmatched. Cute. So this is the sweatshirt, a nice thick collar. And that goes beautifully with the joggers. I love this color. This is a hoodie. And now this hoodie, so they do have hoodies that have drawstrings and some don't. This is a nice sage and I love this. And the last thing is a quarter zip. Now we love a quarter zip around here. Super soft, pretty, beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love clothes. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. So many goodies, so much fabric, so many new blanks and new garments. I'm gonna put all of the details in the description below or they will be popped up on this screen. But yeah, I cannot wait. This was just my little unboxing video and just kind of throwing myself back into YouTube and, letting y'all know that she ain't going nowhere. So I will have other videos coming, of course, tutorials on making some things with my Shannon fabrics. Minky, the first video is probably going to be doing a blanket from scratch. And then my next couple of videos will also feature some Lane 7 apparel. So I will probably take one of these garments and do a video on, embroidering it from start to finish and just kind of how I like it. I'll do a little try on video. If you guys want to see what I have coming up next, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in after a good amount of time, after a hiatus. I appreciate you guys. But again, I didn't go nowhere. You can always find me at The Arts of Danny on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and my website is theartsofdanny.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.